Go ahead and split him in. The nose ends where the ears start. So you're gonna go below this guideline for the nose, and you're gonna do an oval like this. And above this, you're gonna do a line like that. This is where his eyes lean on. The eyes are going to be two ovals that end about here and about this distance from the center line. About like that. Trying to make them as equal as possible. Let's make a little guideline close to the end of this. You're gonna start off here and you're gonna make a shape that goes like this and down like that. Kind of like if you were trying to do the beginning of a heart maybe. Now his smile lines will go about at the end of this. So like this and like this. Here, you're gonna do a half circle like that. A smile, just a regular smile. And from there, ending here, okay, so these are the little guides. You're gonna do another little opening like that. And we're gonna do his tongue, which is just basically a whoop and a whoop, like that. Underneath, you're gonna do his little chin, following the same curve as this. So let's do a chin right here like that. And then from here, you're gonna do his cheek. So it goes out like that, and it ends just below this line. Same thing on the other side. Cheek going out like that, ending just below that line. You just have to do like the little circle in here to make his iris. And you've drawn Mickey. It is as simple as that. Do not forget to erase these guidelines before you go ahead and color him, because they will show underneath your alcohol markers. And don't do like I did here, coloring it in using a Sharpie, because those really tend to bleed. So if you have a Micron or a fine liner in the Posca family, like the acrylic markers, really fine liner, I feel like maybe we could put his nose just a little bit lower in this case, because I feel like this space is a little bit too big. But yeah, this is basically it, guys. So that was how you go ahead and draw a Mickey with 2 dimes and a quarter.